Hello guys, do you want to disappear from WhatsApp for a while? Don't worry guys, in this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving messages on WhatsApp without turning off the mobile data. Let's get into it. First of all, go to your settings app on your phone. Then you have to find apps option, and it's right here. Just click on apps option. Then choose WhatsApp. You have to scroll down your screen until you find WhatsApp and click on it. After that, you can click on force stop right here. And you will get these questions and you can click on OK. And don't open the WhatsApp if you want to stop receiving the messages on WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, the messages will be sent to your WhatsApp. So make sure that you do not open the WhatsApp until you want to appear again on WhatsApp. Okay guys, that's how we can stop receiving messages on WhatsApp without turning off the data. I hope this video will help you and thanks for watching. Bye!